southern Fairfield counties in Ohio when until 10 p.m. Thursday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 3:59 p.m., radar indicated prolonged moderate rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.2 to 0.5 inches are possible. Some locations that may experience flooding include Lancaster, Logan, Nelsonville, Bremen, Murray City, Sugar Grove, Enterprise, Rockbridge, Gibbsonville, Islesboro, Union Furnace, South Bloomingville, Haydenville, and Clearport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.